Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send XDC from Bitmart to Metamask in 2025. If you're holding XDC on Bitmart and want to move it to your Metamask wallet for more control, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to keep your assets safe. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and Metamask. If you haven't already, download the Metamask extension or app and create a wallet. Now, log into your Bitmart account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Assets section to find your XDC balance. Next, navigate to the Withdraw option for XDC. You'll see a form pop up asking for details. This is where you enter your Metamask wallet address. Copy it directly from Metamask to avoid any typos. Remember, XDC uses the Shin-Fin network, so select that as the network type if it's an option. Then, enter the amount you want to withdraw, but don't go over your available balance. Before you hit confirm, take a moment to review the withdrawal fee and estimated arrival time. Fees can vary, so keep an eye on that. Once you're ready, click Withdraw and confirm the transaction with any required 2FA or security codes. Bitmart will process your request, and you might get an email confirmation. Now, switch over to Metamask. Add the Shin-Fin network if it isn't already there. Go to Settings, then Networks, and input the XDC details like RPC URL and chain ID. Your XDC should show up in your Metamask wallet shortly, usually within a few minutes to an hour. A quick tip: always verify your wallet address and use a secure connection. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. That's it, you've successfully transferred your XDC. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you in the next one.